Hello, this is Mandy with Scott Leroy Marketing. I'd like to show you how you can select a language preference when you're creating and managing your paid ads in Command. Now, this will only apply to the system generated text within your command. The editable fields when you're creating a paid ad, such as like the pre-filled ad text, that will still show in English, but you can at least change the system language. You will need to go to your paid ads section to change this. So sign into Command, go to the Campaigns tab on the left, little megaphone. Now, if you're working on this for your team, just make sure at this point to go ahead and click on your name at the top right and choose your team profile before going back into the paid ads section if you're wanting to make this change for your team. You will also need either enhanced or unlimited permissions in this section. Today, we'll just do the personal account that we have selected. And so now that we're here on the Campaigns tab, we're going to click Paid Ad Quick Start over here on the right. From here, now that you're back in your paid ad campaign section, you can click the little icon of a person in a circle at the top right and choose My Account. From here, go to Localization Preferences, and you can choose from the drop down which language you would like to choose from. I believe there's 27. There may have been an update since then, but there should be about 27 languages to choose from here. So you can go ahead and make your choice and click Save. And you can see that the majority of the text does change over to that particular language. We'll click over here a little bit so you can see some of it. And whenever you need to choose a different language, you can, or make any kind of change or edit, you can click your person in the top right again, choose My Account, Localization Preferences, and then just choose your language again from the drop down and click Save. It will update the language for you, as you can see here across the board. All right. If you need any assistance with this at all or run into any problems, you can just always reach out to us via email here at Scott Leroy Marketing. Our email address is support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching.